Hello everyone. Today, one more interesting topic. How to execute our scripts, Selenium scripts on the Saucelabs. Selenium scripts on the Saucelabs. To execute our scripts on the Saucelabs, what we required? We required we required first of all Saucelab, a Saucelab account. Why we need to execute first of all Saucelabs, Saucelab is a cloud tool, like Browserstack, Saucelabs. There are multiple things. Browserstack and Saucelabs are popular ones. Right, it will provide right execution platform. Execution platform. Suppose I want to execute my Selenium scripts. I want to execute my Selenium scripts on different browsers. Different OS like Windows, Linux, Mac, and then different browsers Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari. Different platforms with different browsers and versions. One or two means we can in local we can execute in our local system Chrome, Firefox, Edge. If we want to Mac machine means again we need to set up a Mac machine. Different version means again it will be difficult for us. So these cloud platforms will provide execution environment. We can execute our scripts on these environments parallelly. We can also execute parallelly. Different operating systems, different browsers, different versions. So how to integrate our scripts with the Saucelabs. First of all we have to create the Saucelab account. Just you can use just I will copy these URLs in the description. Just check out. Just you can open the Saucelabs. You can type in the Google Saucelab. Saucelab.com. We will get it. It will ask for the login. You can use your regular email ID. I already logged in, so it is coming like this. Once we log in, it will not take much time, just 10 to 15 seconds. That's it. Just we have to click on the already Gmail. It will show. Click on that. Give your email ID, password. Gmail user ID, password. It will create it. It will show like this UI. On top you will see it will provide 1 hour by default. 1 hour. Currently I have used 4 minutes of it. Still I have 56 minutes of execution time. This is the execution. We can execute our scripts 60 minutes time. Here there are different locations. We can use US West. Where the Saucelabs are available. And by default it will select your central. US East 1, US East 4, like this. And if you want to get we required two major things. One is the username and the access key. Username and access key we can copy from here. Now I want to verify Saucelabs which versions, which browsers and which versions it will support it. Just I will open one more platform configurer. It will have a it will show here. See, we can select either Windows. It will support 11, 10, 8.1, 7, 8. Mac. It will we can select Linux also. Linux. Linux and Mac machines. Mac. Mac it will select different OSs. Ventura, Big Sur, Catalina. It will support 3 OSs: Linux, Mac, Windows, and different versions of each one. And then browsers. Browsers. right? We can use here browsers, these many browsers versions it will support, whichever we want, we can select it, right? If you select Linux, right, it will support Linux, Chrome and Firefox, right? For Mac machine it will support Linux, right? Fine, on Mac machine it will support Safari. Then advanced options are there, and advanced options, these are all related to, right, Saucelabs, right? Implicit wait time, max duration, right? If you want idle timeout, command timeout, page load timeout, right? Capture performance screen, these are all if you want, we need to enable, it will generate the capability. See, it will generate automatically. We will select Selenium 4 only. Java, it will support which language you want, that language you can select, and which Selenium, mostly Selenium 3 or 4, right? It will generate, right, automatically. Suppose Windows 11, Chrome version 32, right? Here we need to change username, password. This is build, we can give any name. For regression 1, suppose I started regression 1, right? Build 1, build 2, build 3, name is name of the test case, right? These are all, it will come automatically. We have to create the map object. This map object we have to set to Chrome options by source options. Key is the source options. This map object we have to set it in the browser of Chrome options, then pass that to remote URL, right? This is the Saucelabs URL, like remote, right? In the grid, right, we will have a grid URL. Same way here, Saucelabs URL, right? That's it. Just we need to copy and then change these two. That's it, right? We will see same thing, right? Saucelabs Chrome, right? First we have, right, one older about 3.0 in legacy, right? Only desired capabilities we have. We can set everything in capabilities and set remote driver, right? But this is currently, right, if you use old version then only it will support, but on new versions Windows 11, if you use, right, something latest version, it is not supporting. We have to use W3C only, right? W3C supported format, right? First here we have to create Chrome options, then platform name, browser version latest, we can give browser. If we have any specific thing you want to execute in a specific version, we can give, right? Then map, we have to give the username, access key, build name, build anything we can give, build name we can give, usually we will give as a test name. Then you add to browser options, right? Simple here. Then we have to create the remote WebDriver object, then create the URL, what is the Saucelab URL, and then browser options, pass this browser options, and just open driver.get the title, just verifying the title. Then once it is done, we can send this command source colon job result. What is the, we can send test case result to the Saucelabs, whether test case is pass or fail, right? Just we will execute and see. Right, we can come to, right, Saucelab dashboard. Here automated test results. Click on the automated and then results. Right, is it executed, right? 6:25. Alright, current time. It is executed and passed. Then click on it. Right, click on it. Alright, if we click on the video, we can see here it will show Windows 11 133 on top. Right, here it is executed. It is opened that Windows 11 machine and Chrome browser. We can see here screenshots also, it will take automatically. It will generate logs, and if you enable network, this capability if we add, it will generate network logs also, right? Metadata means that whatever capabilities we have sent, it will, right, it will generate like this. Right, whenever we want, right, we will come here, we can verify it. Right, if we give the bills, right, if we click on the bills, right, if we give the build name, right, all the test results will come under single build. Right, if you see, I have given same build name, so all executions are coming under same build. For every regression we can give different build names, so that, right, it is in the builds, right, tomorrow if you want to check later sometime, right, after 1 month or something, what is the results of it, right, if we have a bill number, proper description and month something, if we give, we can verify easily. Right, similarly if you want to execute Firefox, right, we have to give Firefox option, that's it. Right, nothing, and remaining everything will be same only. Right, I want to execute in Windows 11 latest Firefox browser, build name, and we can give name of the test. Right, remaining everything will be same only. Right, and then if I want to execute suppose Edge browser, just we need to change Edge options, that's it. Right, I am executing Windows 11 Edge latest. Right, similarly suppose I want to execute on Mac machine. Right, I want to execute on Mac. Here what we have to do, Safari options, right, Mac machine Safari options, and what is the platform, like in Windows we have given Windows 10, Windows 11 like that, but here Mac OS 13, right, Mac OS 13 and the latest Safari browser version. That's it, these two we need to change. Right, just we will execute this Mac run as. If we see just to refresh the browser, see in the right build one only, right, it is running. If we have a doubt, right, on top we can verify on which OS, which browser, right, it is running. Right, it is say that operating system is right, Mac machine only. Right, in Mac machine it is opening. Right, we can download and verify. Maybe it is right here a small window is there, but we can download image and we can verify it. Right, suppose if I want to execute on Linux, right, Linux platform name is Linux, right, Chrome options, right, in the Chrome browser, Linux or Chrome browser. Right, just we will execute, just these two only will change it. Right, that's it. Right, already we are giving, we no need to mention which browser, because already it is a Chrome options, we are adding to Chrome options, Linux latest. Let's see, it is already executed. See Linux symbol, right, we can open and verify it. Right, Linux 133 Chrome version. Right, like this we can achieve, we can execute on Saucelabs, right, Chrome, right, Firefox, Edge and Linux with Chrome and Safari, right, with Mac machine with Safari. Right, we can achieve like this. Right, thanks for watching. If you like my way of presentation and the content, right, just subscribe to the channel and enable notifications, so that whenever I will release the new video you will get immediately notification, you will not miss out. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.